Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this stocking holder. We don't currently have a fireplace, and even when we did have one, we never had a mantle, so we've always had issues like hanging the stockings up. So I did some research and I found a lot of examples like this one with different characters or different designs, but this is what I came up with. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need and how to make it. For this project, I'm gonna be using a 1x8 and it's 6 feet long, but I will probably be cutting it down to about 5 feet. I will also be using doorknobs. These are wooden ones and I need one for each stocking that I want to hang up. I will also need white, red, and black spray paint. To begin, you'll want to place your doorknobs on your board and separate them out so you can get a rough idea of how much space you'll need. Once you have your piece of wood cut at the length you need, go ahead and paint it white with either spray paint or regular paint. You'll also want to spray paint one of your doorknobs red and then the rest of them black. Once your board's completely painted, you want to start marking it where you're going to have the doorknobs, and I have mine about 7 inches apart. Now I'm going to make another mark right at 2 inches all the way down the board. That way I make sure that it's exactly centered where I want it. Now, one quick tip is if you have a board like this where there's a knot, make sure that your markings are not on that side. You want them to be at the bottom because like, you can kind of see this would have lined up right here, and you don't really want to drill or do your decal over a knot like this. And I have another one over here as well. So the bottom, this side of the board was much smoother. So just make sure you're checking for that when you're putting your doorknobs in. I am going to pre-drill this hole, and you do not have to do this, but if you do have a drill and you can pre-drill the hole, it is going to be a lot easier for you. Now, when you drill a hole, if you see it like this and you're like, oh great, I just messed it up, don't worry, because between the decal and the doorknob, you'll never see this. So now I'm going to take my decal and we're going to place this hole right here where the nose is right over top of the hole that we drilled like that. So I'll go ahead and put that on there. So we're just going to place this like that. Okay. And then I'm going to use my tool to kind of scrape it down. And you just want to make sure you get the edges really good because that's the part that pulls up. So now I will go ahead and peel this off slowly. Okay, that way if any of the pieces didn't stick, we can just put that back down again. Perfect. And now we'll put our little nose on. So I just flipped the board over and have it hanging off the table, and I'm going to drill the screw in through the back. I usually do this after the decal because it's harder to put the decal on if all the screws are in already. So now we just need to add our little nose. So we're just going to twist this on. When you spray paint it, there might be some spray paint in there, so you just have to keep turning it. Make sure you keep it straight. Oops, I just hit the thing there. There we go. Look how cute that is. So you can do them all red if you want, but we do have the black ones, so we'll have one Rudolph and then the rest will be regular reindeer. This is what it'll look like once you have everything put together. So you can see we have all the different stockings hanging. We will eventually put this up on the wall, but for right now you can at least see what it looks like. So I think it turned out really cute, and you can definitely do different decals. You can do Santa, even snowmen, or like a snowflake. But we really like the reindeer because we like the idea of having the one Rudolph. Now, if you wanted to have all of the reindeer, you will need 9 total, but we only have 8 people that we would need stockings for, so I decided not to put names, but you could put names along the top or the bottom if you wanted to. But overall, this is just a cute way that you can hang up your stockings if you don't have a fireplace. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you later.